Hey everybody, it's Tom. So I already have a couple videos, at least one, how to calculate your life insurance needs. But I figured I'd ask ChatGPT how much life insurance do I need? All right, let's see what they have to say. The amount of life insurance you need depends on your financial situation, income, debts, and long-term obligations. A common rule of thumb is to get coverage equal to 10 to 15 times your annual income, but a more precise approach is to calculate based on your specific needs. I generally say 12 to 15 times, and you can do as much as 20. All right, let's take a look. Income replacement. Number one, income replacement. Multiply your annual income by the number of years your family will need support. Example, if you earn $75,000 per year and want to replace income for 10 years, you need $750,000. 10 years is not a long amount of time. Usually my clients do at least 20 years, but you can plug your own numbers in and calculate how much you need. Debt and expenses. Include any outstanding debts and expenses such as mortgage. If you owe $250,000, add that amount. And whatever your amount is, add that. Car loans, credit cards, student loans, add those debts up. Final expense. Funeral costs can range between $8,000 and $15,000. If you have children and you want them to go to college. If you have kids, estimate future college costs. Example, public university, in-state, $25,000 a year. And that's spot on. I have a kid going to a SUNY school right now. Room and board plus the meal plan cost be just about $25,000. Private college would cost about $50,000. Multiply the number of children and years of education. By the way, college education goes up about 6% per year. You got to figure out, if you want to be real precise, you got to calculate that in too. Savings and existing assets. Subtract your current savings, investments, and existing life insurance if you have any. Okay, so in the example, $200,000 in savings / retirement accounts, $100,000 in employer-provided life insurance. Reduce the needed coverage by $300,000 because you're adding the $200,000 and the $100,000. Now, one thing I'll say about that also is I don't think you should, especially if you're a young family, you shouldn't be using retirement accounts in this. Whoever your, the surviving spouse, if there's a marriage, that person needs to have some retirement savings. And another couple $100 of life insurance probably isn't going to cost that much. So I would leave retirement account out, but that's just me. All right, let's keep going. So you can see they do the math. Income replacement, $75,000 times 10, $750,000. You can see the mortgage balance, other debts, which might be car loans, student loans, college savings. Okay, they have 2 kids in there, so that's $200,000. I guess they're using public school in this example. Funeral, $10,000. So this person's total insurance needs was $1,260,000 minus the savings and the existing insurance, which takes away $300,000. So their insurance needs, according to this, is $960,000. And we'll conclude with types of life insurance to consider. Term life insurance covers a specific period, 10, 20, 30. I have companies that will do 40 years. Cheaper and best for income replacement. And then whole life insurance, permanent coverage with cash value, but more expensive. And it's significantly more expensive. Would you like help comparing policies or getting quotes? Well, if you do, and you have a trusted advisor or a life insurance agent, call them now. If this video has convinced you, yes, it's time to get life insurance, and you have somebody to call them now. If you don't, you do now, because I am a licensed life insurance agent here in the state of New York, as well as 22 other states. I'll be happy to help you out. My contact information will be down below in the description. Please give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe. Hit the bell. I always forget. You got to hit that bell so you know when I come out with a new video that might interest you. If you know anybody else that this video might interest, feel free to share it with them. All right, guys. Thanks for watching my video. I hope you all have a great day. Be safe.